How to convert Redmi Notes to PDF. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Notes application, and here I've already selected Notes that I want to convert to PDF. So now just tap on the arrow button over here at the top of the screen, and then you'll be able to share this note as either text or picture. I'm going to select on share note as picture, and then I'm going to tap on save over here on my device. After tapping on save, I'm going to go to the Chrome browser on my device. And as I tap on the Chrome browser, all we have to do is just search for this application called JPG to PDF converter over here. You'll be able to see different options available over here. You can select any of this one. So I'm going to select on the very option over here that is shown on the screen. So as you tap on that, you just have a tap on choose files over here. As you tap on choose files, you'll be able to tap on the media picker, and it will lead you to the file manager options. Then select on the image that you want to convert to PDF. And right now here you'll be able to see the convert option over here at the top right. Tap on it, and while it's converting, now you'll be able to see the option of download. And as you tap on download, you'll be able to download the PDF version of the application or the Redmi Note that you have converted to PDF. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.